elai.oi.com is a free online video platform that helps you create stunning videos with a few clicks. You can combine text, images, animations, and music, embedded in websites, and used for presentations. It's easy to use and comes with a range of tools that let you make professional-looking videos without the need for expensive software. With elai.oi.com.
With elai.oi.com, you can design a video from start to finish in minutes. Whether you're producing a commercial, a tutorial, or a short film, all you need to do is upload your media, images, music, and video footage and start arranging them into a sequence. With our easy-to-use editing tools.
Once your video is finished, you can share it with the world. elai.oi.com makes it easy to share your videos on social media. You can create professional-looking videos and get them seen by a wider audience in no time.
Hi, welcome back to channel. We are going to export brand new iVideo Maker tool. This video divided into 3 chapters. In chapter 1, we demonstrate how to create with the 3D talking avatar from ChatGPT Prompt. In chapter 2, we showcase from 10 different avatar with the various nationals audio and languages including English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Turks, and Indonesians, and some to hear your feedback in comments section, so please let me know which avatar model you like most. In last chapter, we will engaging in and creating chat with an AI human by asking some neat questions, so let's begin. Step 1. Register for AI Studio, link provided in the video description at attempt for trial version. You can register with your Google account or Gmail. Step 2. Once the registration process is complete, come and create a free video bottom and log into your dashboard. Here, click on the ChatGPT icon that ChatGPT help. Step 3. Type command and prompt. In this video, I asked that ChatGPT to how to become more productive. Select your desired template, then click your video to ChatGPT to start generating a video. Wait till process to complete. Step 4. Once the generation process is complete, you start rendering your video and customize to meet your needs. You have to option the change your avatar, avatar voice, avatar style and avatar object position or background from free stock video images and video stock. Step 5. Once everything is set up, and choose the video option, and wait for rendering process for complete. Here is the example for the video result. Here is the example for the video result.
Productivity is the measure of how efficiently and effectively we utilize our time. It is crucial for achieving personal and professional goals. Start your day by making a list of tasks and prioritizing them based on importance and urgency. Use time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused.
Identify common distractions like social media, emails, and notifications, set boundaries, and turn off non-essential apps and notifications during work hours. Use tools like noise-canceling headphones to eliminate noise distractions.
Get enough sleep and exercise.
Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel.